Hi, this is Mary. Welcome to my channel with my beautiful mess. Today we're going to be talking about beginner sticker books. I get asked a lot of times, what is the best sticker books to start with? I think a lot of new planner girls have this question, especially since the sticker books are kind of expensive, at $20 a book. You kind of want to make sure that you're going to get something that is functional. So everybody's going to have their own opinion as to what the best starter books are, but this is mine. So I'm going to show you like 3 different types of books that I think are probably the easiest to start with. So the first thing I'm going to show you is the color story books. So these, I kind of like to call them like a curated collection of sticker books. Let me just move these off to the side. So if you're not familiar with the color story books, these books are kind of curated for you. So if you're the kind of person who loves to have a coordinated look, you know, with the colors matching and all that, but you're kind of don't know how to put everything together. Maybe you're just struggling with a creative block. Sometimes that can happen. You know, it's like writer's block. You look at that white page and you're not sure what to do with it. So these are kind of already curated for you. So each book has like 4 or 5 different themes in the book, and it's already coordinated for you. It's already put together. And that just makes it so much, I mean, you can tell I've used this book a lot. I'm missing a lot of stickers. But every book has like 4 or 5 themes in it. And any one of these are good to start with. They all are pretty varied. Some of them are a little seasonal. I mean, I think this one had a little more summer look. This one was definitely kind of like spring and summer. This one had some faith in it. So they're all like a little different. Let's see, I'll just flip through some of these. But there's like 4 or 5 books, and they all kind of have a nice little theme to them. And so that is one of the first things that I might start with if you want to really get into the decorative planning. I think that would help you, any one of those books. And then the next thing I want to show you are some of the essential planning books. These are some of the early books. There's a few others, but I'm not going to bring them out. I just want to give you an idea. These are some of the early books, and they kind of have like a little bit of everything. They're not as pretty as some of the later books, but they are very functional, and there's lots of colors in them, so it's easy to kind of mix match. I mean, this is an old book of mine. I've used it so much. But it's kind of has like a little bit of everything. It's got some food, it's got some meal planning, it's got some fitness, grocery shopping, some budget stuff. I mean, it's just got like a little bit of everything. And if you're starting out, I think that some of these essential planning books are probably really good to start with. It gives you a lot of variety without having to spend a bunch of money. So that would be one of my other choices. My last choice is going to be the colorful boxes. You may see these books. There's quite a few of them. I think I've got some duplicates here, so let me take those out. The colorful boxes line, I really wish that they had it way before. I'm from the early Happy Planner days of 2015 when they first came out with the planners, and they had like 1 or 2 planners to choose from. And basically at the very beginning, there was no value packs. All you had was these little sticker books that had like maybe 4 or 5 sheets. And then they started coming out with the value packs, and that was amazing. But one thing I love about these colorful boxes is that they give you a punch of color without taking away a lot of your white space. So let me show you what I mean. So they have different ones. This is the most recent. It's the colorful shapes. So it has like all different colors, and all what you're going to see is basically, it's going to be a white space with basically just a border of color. And that's what the colorful boxes are. This one has like all different kinds of shapes. I think in your planner, it's a nice way to kind of highlight something, or to kind of, it just kind of makes it stand out, I think, on your page. So like if I have a doctor's appointment or something that's really important that I really kind of want to pop to me, I'll put it in a colorful box, and that kind of speaks. This is one, and I heard that, I might be wrong, I heard that they're discontinuing this book, and I was really kind of surprised by that because it's a fairly recent book, and I thought it was super helpful, so I would be shocked. And Happy Planner really isn't that quick on discontinuing things. It takes them a while to do that, so I would have to believe that their sales were just so bad that they they decided not to keep it. But I wouldn't know why, because I think it's a very helpful book. This one here is colorful boxes, but it's really geared more towards your monthly spread. Okay, like it fits in the monthly spread boxes like really, really well. So you have that one, and it's basically like the original color boxes. And they basically just have the colored boxes in like every color you can think of to match your spread. Then they had layered boxes, which is really nice. These are really pretty too, and they're just, they have a little bit more color to them. They still have the box look. A lot of people like myself love to layer the stickers together to create just more of an interesting look. And so in this book, they actually came up with layering the stickers for you, so you didn't have to waste 2 stickers at a time. So this gives you the look without having to use double the amount of stickers. So there's that one. Then there's the colorful boxes, and these, the difference in these is that they're actually solid boxes. So instead of the white box with just the border around it, it actually has like full color boxes. And that's really nice. This is a nice way to kind of add some color to your spreads. And then the last one I'm going to show you is this one. This was actually my least favorite of all the colorful boxes. And it's just a preference, that's all it is. But this one, I think it was my least favorite because I don't care for this like brush stroke look, and a lot of the book has that. I like really clean, sleek lines, but that's just a personal preference. And I also kind of didn't care for the fact that it had a lot of quotes and stuff like that, and some florals, and I just wanted nothing but boxes. So you can see it has a lot of quotes. But it's my least favorite, but you may love it, and that's perfectly fine. So that's kind of all I wanted to show you today. I just wanted to give you an idea of some of the best books that I think you should start with if you're just beginning to grow your Happy Planner collection. I would love to hear in the comments below some of your favorite books if you've been doing this for a while. I'd love to hear what your favorite ones are, what you'd recommend to start with. So thank you very much for watching. Before you leave, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for future videos. Thanks.